you'd find under the tree, but what people would ask for if they had a direct line to their city or town. From less traffic to more affordable housing to this.
Oh my gosh, subsidize the insurance rates that we're getting.
More parks and amenities.
I'd say more community things.
In Sanibel, I met Jeffrey Bond, a frequent visitor, and Carolyn Braden, a 3-year local. Their answers proved to be very different. Of course, Bond told me he wouldn't mind less traffic.
The bridge is a little bit of a tough spot right now, getting on and off.
But instead of making that his wish from the city, he chose to focus on the good.
It's those things that they did and did well. Supporting the community, good infrastructure and good resources. And then it's going to be just a little bit of time before that starts settling itself out and people really enjoy coming back. If you see anybody on the beach, they're happy to be here. And I think they all look forward to coming back.
You guys probably went through a tough time with the hurricane, right?
Yes, we did. You can see around my property is just now starting to finish up.
Braden started our interview with a twinkle in her eyes and a smile on her face, which quickly turned to tears when I asked her the same question I've asked so many. What is your New Year's wish for the island?
I would love for Sanibel to continue to be happy throughout this whole thing, no matter what. I'm gonna cry. This was a really hard thing that so many people dealt with. And I just want people to continue to spread joy, because joy is the only thing that's going to get us by still.
Joy, she told me, is how everyone on Sanibel will overcome their many challenges.
I think if everybody can continue to say prayers for everybody down here, it's not just me, it's the animals, it's the plants, it's the businesses, it's just every living thing. I just wish for prayers of joy and happiness.
Braden knows the city is working hard to bounce back from Hurricane Ian. It's easy to be negative, so she prays for positivity.
You know, so many people said to me, "Oh, you're going to move right away, right?" And my answer to that was no, not right away. I'll eventually move because I have a whole bunch of life stories to explore and to tell. But I think that Sanibel is going to be better than ever after all of this. And my house's name right before this all happened was called Don't Worry, Be Happy. And I think that's what we all need to do.
What a nice New Year's wish. Emma Heaton, Wink News.
Yeah, there's a lot of hope for sure in the new year.
I know. Don't you just wish you could hug her after that?
Yeah.
That is so true, though. Don't worry, be happy. And I love what everybody said about the island.
Yeah, hopefully it's going to be a great new year for everybody.
Well, Florida